Hello, good day everyone. Welcome to my channel, and in this video we are going to solve this question for x, and we have a 3 raised to the power x plus 3 minus 3 raised to the power x plus 2. This is equal to 486, and we find the value of x. So let's start. In the first step we use this identity, which is a raised to the power n plus m. We write this as a raised to the power n multiply a raised to the power m. We apply this identity on first two terms. So the first term will become a 3 raised to the power x multiply 3 raised to the power 3 minus this will become a 3 raised to the power x multiply 3 raised to the power 2. This is equal to 486. Now 3 raised to the power x involved in this first two terms, so we factor out, and the remaining will become a 3 raised to the power 3 minus 3 raised to the power 2 is equal to 486. Now we expand this form. So we know that 3 raised to the power 3 is equal to 27 minus this 3 square will become a 9. This is equal to 486. Now we subtract 27 minus 9, we get 18. So we have a 3 raised to the power x multiply 18 is equal to 486. So in the next step, we divide this equation by 18 on both sides. So this 18 and 18 cancel here. We just get 3 raised to the power x. And in the next step, we divide 486 by 18. Then we get 27. In the next step, look at the left hand side. In the base we have a 3, so we want to write this 27 with base 3, and we know that 27 with base 3, we write this as a 3 cube, which is equal to 27. So this is our 3 raised to the power x is equal to 3 raised to the power 3. At this stage, look at the base, which is the same. So this implies we can compare their exponent. So this implies x is equals to 3. This is the answer of x in our question. Now we verify this answer. For verification, look at this. In our question, x is equals to 3. So we have a 3 raised to the power, x is a 3, plus 3 minus 3 raised to the power 3 plus 2 is equal to 486. Now we write this as a 3 raised to the power 3 multiply 3 raised to the power 3 minus this is a 3 raised to the power 3 multiply 3 raised to the power 2 is equal to 486. Here we use this identity, which is a raised to the power n plus m is equal to a raised to the power n multiply a raised to the power m. So look at this first two term, 3 raised to the power 3 involved in this two terms. So we factor out 3 raised to the power 3, and that this remaining is a 3 raised to the power 3 minus 3 raised to the power 2. This is equal to 486. Now we solve this part. So 3 raised to the power 3. 3 raised to the power 3 is a 27 minus 3 square is a 9 is equal to 486. Now we subtract this. So 27 minus 9 is a 18 is equal to 486. 3 cube is equal to 27, and this is a 18 is equal to 486. Now we multiply this 27 by 18. 8 sevens are 56. So here we write 6 and 5 carry. 8 twos are 16 and plus 5 is a 21. And 1 sevens are 7. 1 twos are 2. Now we add. This is a 6. 7 plus 1 is a 8 and 2 plus 2 is a 4. So this is our 486, and right hand side is also 486. So we verify, and in our question x is equal to 3, and we have done.